Honey, where are you? I'm going to seek you. Oh, hi everyone, it's Kate, and today we start cooking interesting dish, which name is bean chocolate brownie. If you want to surprise your family and friends, let's do it! Go! So we will need the following ingredients. There are boulder beans, 400 grams, sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons, cocoa, 4 tablespoons, 2 eggs, 60-70 grams of nuts, and 60-80 grams of dried fruits, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Let's start. At the first, we rinse the beans in cold water. Okay. After that, we will mix all our ingredients and grate with a mixer. We mix all ingredients except nuts. Now I cut my dry fruits and add to our mixture. What a smell! I like to do this cake because when your family or friends taste it, they're always surprised. They don't understand what is the ingredients in this cake, because you say that this cake without flour. And it's cake very protein, because beans, they consist protein in themselves. Okay, and now I want to cut on little pieces my dried fruits. Okay, I finished. And now we add our dried fruits and 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. Let's mix it. mixture into a mold and add oil. Ideal diameter of mold is 20 centimeters. Now I have 18 centimeters. And do plate shape. And now we put it into the oven for 18-20 minutes, and temperature will be of 180 degrees dash 200 degrees above zero. Let's do it. And now we prepare chocolate sauce. Let's do it. Ingredients for our cream are sugar 4 tablespoons, cream 4 tablespoons, and butter 50 grams. Let's mix it. This and this. Now we heat over low heat until boiling. Oh, sorry, I forgot 2 tablespoons of cocoa. One and 2. Okay, we mixed it. And now we will add our butter. Okay, our chocolate sauce is ready. We mix it. Okay. Take out of the oven our cake. Turn off our oven. Yummy. Look at this. Let's open our shape. And now let's decorate our cake. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, I want to eat it now. last. If you want, you can add more nuts. I think it's enough. So let's start. So let's test it. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and bye!